Hello everyone, this is Nicole. Your mobile blog is for toctown.com. I want to thank you for stopping by for another admin tip, tool, and special events planner technique. One of the instruments that I use for my blogosphere and also in the studio is my Amazon Kindle Fire, and I'll have a review on this later this week. But in the meantime, a lot of the things I've learned over the years is just to get to know your device on whatever you're working on. You know, you miss out on a lot of the tools that are available. One of the things that I use is the QR code reader, which you can download. Even if it's on a Apple, you can always find out if it's compatible with your device. And then when I receive any article or material, then I go ahead and scan it, and it gives me a beep whenever it's an active website, and then I go straight to the website. And you find out all the information that that company offers as far as the warranties, more special discounts. And even if you're a small business owner yourself, I highly recommend that you use a QR code. I actually have a QR code ready for you in my Etsy shop. So go ahead and sign on to toctown.com and let me know you saw this video in the guest guide. And next up, I wanted to shift gears and share with you a few tips that I do while I'm on staycation. A lot of times I jump into my corporate jammies, pack my bags for the next session, and I wanted to follow up on the technical equipment that I was talking about in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, I'll go ahead and link it down below. But these sports wireless headsets are definitely a game changer for me. I can use them across multiple devices because of the Bluetooth technology. All of the things that are necessary, including the USB plug and the how to set up the pairing the device, in addition to other elements that I can use while listening and recording on this headset. It is a game changer. I'll definitely have another review for you later on this season, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like as it's completely unpackaged, unboxed. And I left it overnight to charge, even though in the package it recommends that it'll charge within the hour. It didn't really work for me that way, so I decided to just go ahead and set it and remember it in the morning. So pretty much I set it up for just research days. The quality of it is not like the mic that I'm using right now in the studio, but definitely while I'm on alumni access research mode and developing out different products, I'm going to recharge it the night before and then take it with me on my tablet. Of course, I have an update for you to share with you how it sounds in case you want to use it for yourself. It may not be for a quote unquote paying client or to deliver your final product, but it's definitely something that can track your thoughts. And I use the case to carry more items, the complete set of what I need just in case, and you never know. So if I'm out and about, or on the field or even in another studio, I have all of my personal equipment with me that I won't have to concern myself, do I have it or don't I have it? So if you're a planner like me, you always carry the extra gear, especially the 32 gigabyte adapter. Let's say I need to upload or download some information right into my phone. I have the equipment and the gear right with me on the spot. And it doesn't take that much more to carry it with you, but I can tell you by experience, not having it on you will bring a boatload of concern and unnecessary worry. So, if you like the tips, tools, and planner techniques that I provided for you today, stay tuned. I have 7 more on the way. And also, if you want advice or any kind of event that you're planning a meet and greet for and wouldn't mind my expertise to chime in on, I'd be glad to offer my experience as I've been at this for a few years. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. Stay tuned for the next one. Take care.